I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back to JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. This is just something for fun. A lot of people ask me when they see my witch, which is a very Jasonified Jadina headhunter. This is a Moka Jadina, which is not supposed to be a headhunter, which I made a headhunter, and people are always like, how do you land that thing? How do you take off? How do you do this, that, and whatever? It flies pretty much like any other bird. I mean, it flies different, but as far as takeoffs and landings and things like that, as long as your battery cable's out of the way, you're fine. So, this one's running those sick-ass Avenger 2407, 2450s. We're going to do a little bit of hovering here so you guys can see it. See, the props are off the ground. All right, it's not the end of the world. It's pretty much like a normal headhunter. We'll go ahead and arm up. Okay. This thing flies fast. See that? Sounds like a V8. All right. So you guys can see what it looks like. That is the witch. Moka Jadina. Headhunter. Very fast. Very mean. I'm not going to go too crazy with it in the neighborhood here, because it is a headhunter, and I call them headhunters for a reason. And it hovers at about quarter throttle. Bad to the bone. All right, so that is the Jadina, Moka Jadina headhunter witch. I call it the witch just because it's a mean looking bitch. Look at that. Oh, butterfly. Motors aren't even warm, I don't think. Let's double check. Not bad. A little warm, but not bad. Pretty heavy punch outs. Bam! And we're running the fox ear Predator in that. So yeah, she's pretty hot. So until next time, kids, grab your witch. Take care. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ!